Most people think snoring is annoying, but loud snoring can be a sign of obstructive sleep apnea. Obstructive sleep apnea is a condition where breathing repeatedly stops and starts during sleep. Now imagine this. You're sleeping, then your airway closes, and suddenly your oxygen drops. And because of that, your brain panics and it wakes you up. And this can happen multiple times in a single night without even knowing it. So, here are the warning signs of obstructive sleep apnea: loud snoring, waking up gasping or choking, morning headaches, dry mouth, falling asleep during the day, and feeling exhausted despite sleeping all night. If left untreated, sleep apnea has been linked to high blood pressure, heart disease, stroke, or even car accidents from daytime drowsiness. Treatment for obstructive sleep apnea depends on how severe it is and what's causing the airway blockage. The most effective treatment: continuous positive airway pressure or CPAP. CPAP is considered the gold standard for moderate to severe sleep apnea. Another treatment: weight loss. If overweight, even a 5 to 10% weight loss can significantly improve sleep apnea. Or you can try sleep position changes. Some people have worse apnea when sleeping on their back. So try the following: either side sleeping or use a special pillows or positional therapy devices. And lastly, lifestyle changes, such as avoid alcohol, especially in the evening, avoid sedatives unless prescribed, and stop smoking. And also, maintain regular sleep habits. Alcohol and sedatives relax throat muscles and can worsen apnea. So if your partner says you're struggling to breathe while sleeping, don't ignore it. Your body might be asking for help. More info on the comment section.